Conquer the past. Mastering simple past tense of regular verbs. Hello learners. Today, we're diving deep into the realm of the English language, focusing specifically on the simple past tense of regular verbs and affirmative sentences. This is an essential part of mastering English grammar, so let's get started. The simple past tense is a verb tense that's used to talk about things that happened or existed before now. In English, regular verbs form the simple past tense by adding ed to the base form of the verb. For example, work becomes worked, play becomes played, listen becomes listened. Affirmative sentences in the past tense are quite straightforward. The structure is subject plus past tense verb plus object, if any. Let's look at some examples. I worked in a cafe last summer. We played football yesterday. She listened to the radio last night. The subject can be a noun, a pronoun, or a noun phrase. The important thing is that the verb must agree with the subject and must be in the past tense. There's a little twist when it comes to regular verbs that already end in e. For these verbs, you just add d to form the simple past tense. For instance, love becomes loved, adore becomes adored, bake becomes baked. And in sentences, I loved the concert last night. They adored the wedding cake. He baked cookies for the bake sale. Now, it's time to practice what we've learned. Here are some sentences to transform. 1. I work in a library. 2. She dance at the party. 3. They like the movie. Solutions. 1. I worked in a library. 2. She danced at the party. 3. They liked the movie. And that wraps up our lesson on the simple past tense of regular verbs and affirmative sentences. With practice, forming these sentences will become second nature to you. Keep practicing, keep learning, and remember, mastering a new language opens a whole new world of opportunities. See you in the next video.